welcome to a festive edition where we unwrap the misadventures of Secret Santa in the corporate world. Get ready for 25 moments when office holiday gifting turned into a comedy of errors. Because nothing screams thoughtful like a cupboard full of identical coffee mugs. From a stapler that doesn't staple to the sticky notes that refuses to stick. It's a surprise every time. That awkward moment when the gift tag says "to you from me" for the third year in a row. Crafty coworker alert. Brace yourself for handmade masterpieces that belong in the modern art sections. The gift of endless possibilities that expired 3 months ago. Thanks, Santa. Because everyone needs a miniature Zen garden in a high-stress corporate setting, right? From neon strips to polka dots, because life's too short for plain socks, apparently. USB Petrock? Yes, it's a thing, and nobody knows why. For the colleagues who got a green thumb but didn't know it needed watering. Brace yourself for daily motivational quotes that you never asked for. Is it a cookie? A rock? Who knows? But hey, it's a thought that counts. Remember fidget spinners? Well, now your desk has one too many. Resistant bands, a yoga mat, and protein bars for the co-workers who probably just wanted chocolates. Smelling like grandma's attic has never been more in vogue. For the colleague who needed clearly a giant stuffed unicorn in their life. All of this was in light spirit and fun way. If you like this content, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below your thoughts and what you got for Secret Santa in your office. See you in the next video.